In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit an ID card using Canva, a simple and user-friendly tool that makes designing quick and professional. Whether you're creating an ID card for a company, a school, a club, or a special event, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the entire process from start to finish. By the end, you'll have a fully customized ID card that you can print or share digitally. First, open Canva in your browser. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is free and takes just a minute. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the homepage and type ID card. You'll be presented with numerous templates, each designed to suit different styles and purposes. Take your time to browse through them. Some are minimal and professional, perfect for workplaces, while others are colorful and creative, which might be ideal for clubs, events, or casual purposes. Choosing the right template is the first step in making your ID card look polished and professional. Once you've selected the template that fits your needs, click on it to open the template page. Next, click on the Customize this template button to enter Canva's editor. Here, you can personalize every element of your ID card. Start by editing the text. Click on any text box and type in the information you need, such as your name, position, ID number, or organization. You can adjust the font style, size, and color to match your brand, theme, or personal preference. Make sure the text is readable and balanced on the card. After updating the text, it's time to add your photo or logo. Click on the placeholder image and upload a picture from your computer or choose from Canva's library of images. Drag and drop your photo into the placeholder and it will automatically fit perfectly within the space. You can also resize, reposition, or crop it to make sure it looks exactly how you want. Canva also allows you to customize the background. Add shapes, icons, lines, or other graphic elements to enhance your design. These small adjustments can make your ID card look unique and professional. Once your ID card design is complete, it's time to save your work. Click the Share button at the top right corner of the editor, then select Download. Choose your preferred file type, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, depending on whether you want to print the card or share it digitally. Make sure to review your design one last time to ensure everything is correct. And that's it. Your customized ID card is ready to use. Editing ID cards on Canva is straightforward, flexible, and fun. With these simple steps, you can create an ID card that is not only functional, but also visually appealing, reflecting your style or your organization's branding. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!